Hello, hello, hello. It's Stephanie Deeds at the Deeds Group at Point Realty, and I am sitting on this lovely staircase, which makes a great entryway, by the way, to 3509 Creekside Court in Bedford. I love this house. So many things to love about this house, and one of my favorite things is the fact that it has so much space for so many people. It's a great house. Let's count the bedrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this one is special. So I want you to follow me into this one. This room is ginormous. So we've got this big giant room with an ensuite bathroom connected. So I would go so far as to call this a second master. The only challenge is it is upstairs, but it is a big, large room with an ensuite bathroom that really functions as a second master, assuming you've got someone who doesn't have an issue with the stairs. So come on in here and you see, yes, ensuite, potty is in here, really fantastic extra bedroom. So hope you enjoyed my counting. If you would like more information other than just the bedroom count and what we have here, please click the link or send me a DM. Call me, text me, however you want to get a hold of me, whatever platform you're on. I would love to provide more information for you. Thanks so much for watching.